Alright, ECLIO sent us 2 cruisers, so we decided to test them like a real couple would. Quick errands, neighborhood cruising, and just everyday riding. But here's the question. Is this actually the easiest e-bike for beginners, or is it just hype? Let's find out.
Hey guys, this is Daddy O from the O family, and today's video is a dedicated review of the ECLIO C02 Cruiser.
Cool.
Now ECLIO didn't send us one, they sent us 2 bikes.
No way. Nice.
As you guys can see right here, ECLIO gifted us 2 bikes so we can actually ride together and test these like a real couple would. Neighborhood, cruising, errands, and just having fun. And as always, all opinions are ours. And if you want the link and a discount code, we'll put it in the description and pinned comment. Alright, so as usual, let's cut this open. I'm going to pick this one first. Let's see, right here. This is the winner. Okay. Ooh, look at that. All right.
So right away you can see the packaging is solid. Lots of foam, zip ties, and everything is protected really well. Let's cut these and dig in. So this one right here is the blue color, and for this model you basically get 2 color options, blue or yellow, and we're building the blue one first. Here's the front wheel, and you can see the tread is more of that smooth everyday style. Perfect for neighborhood cruising and bike paths. And in the box you've got your accessories, front basket, front fender, and the seat. The seat has that retro look, and it feels pretty cushiony too. Definitely looks like it's made for comfort. Now in this smaller box, we've got the front headlight. Looks like a cup holder, some tools, and a few extra parts like hardware for the front stem. There's also a chain lock, a little wire wrap / coil to keep the cables looking clean, the quick release skewer for the front wheel, and of course your left and right pedals. We also get the 54.6 volt 2 amp charger, and finally the user manual. Alright, let's get this thing put together. Alright, assembly is super straightforward. First I tightened the front stem, then flipped the bike over to install the front wheel. Just make sure the rotor slides cleanly between the brake pads, pop in the quick release skewer, tighten it down, and give the wheel a quick spin test. Next I flipped it back upright, slid in the handlebars, lined everything up with the front tire, adjusted the height, and tightened the bolts. After that I mounted the front fender and headlight, plugged the light in, slid in the seat, and adjusted it to my height, then installed the bottle holder. Last step, pedals. Quick reminder, left pedal tightens counterclockwise, right pedal tightens clockwise, and that's pretty much it. Now on the yellow one I'm adding the front basket so you can see the difference. Line it up, screw it in, then mount the headlight in front of the basket. Done. Alright, and real quick before we jump into the specs, as you can see you've got options with the front setup. ECLIO gives you a front basket, and I wanted to show it both ways. So on one bike I installed the basket, and on the other one I left it off, just so you can see the difference in looks and how you might want to set yours up. Now, as far as specs, this one's running an 800 watt peak rear hub motor, and ECLIO lists a top speed up to 28 miles per hour. Of course, that can vary depending on rider weight, terrain, and how you ride. For range, they claim up to 60 miles on a single charge, but real talk, range depends a lot on hills, temperature, how much you're pedaling, and how often you're using throttle versus pedal assist. Torque is rated at 65 Newton meters, and they say it can handle up to about a 14-degree climb, which is solid for everyday hills and neighborhood riding. Battery is a 48 volt 16 amp hour, and it charges with a 48 volt 2 ampere charger, so you're getting a good sized battery for a cruiser like this. It's also rated IPX5 water resistant. Basically that means it can handle rain and water splashes like wet roads or getting caught in a light shower. For tires, it's using 26 by 2.125 inch tires. Braking is handled with 160mm disc brake rotors, and up front you've got front suspension, which helps smooth out bumps and keeps the ride comfortable. Perfect for relaxed, casual cruising.
All the e-bikes I have reviewed, usually the battery is tucked either under or top of the frame, but this one, the battery is in the back and it's exposed, so I don't know if I like that or not, but it's a big heavy-duty battery. And to take it off, turn the key to the left. If you look under here, you gotta use your hand here, and then you gotta kind of pull back, and it pops right off just like this. Slides out, and to put it back, slide back in, turn the key to the right, and that's pretty much it. And here is a screen, nice bright LCD screen. Go ahead and turn it on. Here's a power button, hold that for a few seconds. Got the ECLIO logo, and now it shows a speedometer, shows a pedal assist, and then the battery power. The headlight does have Bluetooth, shows odometer and trip mile, how long you've been riding this, and average speed miles. Obviously over here, plus goes all the way to pedal assist 5, it's the highest. If you want to go to more advanced setting, you hold the plus and minus button for a few seconds. You could change a few settings here. You could change the backlight, the unit, speed limit. If you go in there, I'm obviously going to put 100%. 0 star, boost density, 6. I'm going to leave it at 6. Error code, voltage language, Bluetooth option. You have to scan the QR code, and you gotta download the app, and that's it. And on the right side, we got the basic 7-shift Shimano gear on the right side. Here is a horn button right on the right side by the twist throttle. This is a twist throttle. Here's a headlight to turn that on. Usually it's the plus button. You hold that for a few seconds. Here is the headlight. For the front, when you turn that on, we do have a tail light back here. If you press the brake lever, and here's the brake light. Does not have the turn signal, and also they did say this bike is for people, rider height is 5'3" to 6'5". I am 5'10", and this is the lowest setting. Let me see here. Actually, you could go lower. I'm gonna set it about right below my hip, right there. So you can adjust the sit. And also, good thing is this is step through, so it's gonna be easier to go through, to get on the bike and off the bike. Also, this bike is lightweight, including the battery. The bike weighs about 64 pounds, and I can lift this up easily. Another great thing about this cruiser, it's a lightweight, 64 pounds. Alright guys, let's go for a ride. It's a beautiful day, about 60 degrees. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Hold that for a few seconds, and as you can see, 2.4 screen. Now it's on pedal assist 0. This bike is light enough so you can ride this bike like a normal bike. There's no problem here. It's light enough, lightly pedaling, going about 6 miles per hour. Don't forget, this is a cruiser. It's a cruising bike. It's not one of those dirt bikes or with high power, amazing torque. It's not like that. This is an easy cruising bike. So as you can see, just cruising along, 7 miles per hour. Now I'm gonna put it pedal assist 1. You do feel a little bit of boost, going about 9.8 miles. Let me try pedal assist 2. Also, this bike is super quiet. You do not hear the chain, any clicking noises. It's super quiet. Let me pedal a little more. Now it's going about 11 miles, 12 miles on pedal assist 2. They said this is a cadence sensor. Even though it's a cadence sensor, it's not very torquey. It doesn't jerk you. It's very smooth transition. It's 15 miles per hour on pedal assist 2. Let me try pedal assist 3. I do feel the little push. I did notice the direct sunlight, it's kind of hard to see. There's a glare. Right now it's going 13.6. 14, the harder you paddle, faster it goes. Going about 14 miles per hour. That was pedal assist 3. Okay, now let's try pedal assist 4. Let's go about 17 miles per hour. Pedal assist 4. Just easy cruising. Let me try pedal assist 5. Oh yeah. It's a little bit of boost. 19.6. Pedal assist 5, go about 19.6. That's the highest it'll go, 20 miles per hour. And then brake. Brake is decent. Now there is a twist throttle on the right side, so let me go and try that. As you can see, it's not like in your face torque and power, and going about 19.6 with a twist throttle. I mean, this is a nice cruiser bike.
This is what I like about this bike. It's simple, comfortable, and easy to ride. It's not overwhelming, which makes it great for beginners, ladies, or elders looking for something smooth and manageable. It's perfect for cruising around town, running errands, or just getting outside and moving a little more. And with Valentine's Day coming up, this could be a really cool couple gift, just riding side by side and enjoying the moment.
Alright guys, let's close this out with some pros and cons, keeping it real. Pros first, number one, this bike is super simple to put together. If you're new to e-bikes, the setup isn't intimidating and you can be riding pretty quickly. Number two, the ride feel is very smooth. It's easy to control, easy to handle, and it just feels comfortable cruising around. And honestly, this is the kind of e-bike that's perfect for beginners, especially elders, ladies, or anyone who's never owned an e-bike before and wants a solid starter that's fun and not overwhelming. It's got enough power to cruise around the neighborhood, bike paths, and run little errands without feeling like it's too much bike. And for people who want the convenience of getting around but feel like a heavier or more aggressive e-bike might be tough. This is the kind of bike that can really solve that problem. Now for the cons, first, it doesn't have turn signals, so just keep that in mind if you are the type that wants every safety feature built in. Second, if you're looking for a bike that's super powerful, meant for thrill riding or heavy off-road, this isn't that. This one is more geared toward comfortable cruising and beginner-friendly riding. And a small design thing I noticed, when you put the kickstand down and try to roll the bike forward or backward manually, the pedals can catch the kickstand, so it won't roll smoothly unless you put the kickstand back up. Not a deal breaker, just something you'll notice in the garage or driveway. But overall, if your goal is a comfortable, easy, casual cruiser, especially for a couple ride, this one makes a lot of sense. And I just want to say thank you to ECLIO for sponsoring this video. If you want to check out the ECLIO C02 Cruiser, I'll have the link and discount code for you guys down in the description box below. And with Valentine's Day right around the corner, this could honestly be a really fun couple gift, just cruising together and enjoying the ride. And if you do use our code, it helps support our channel and we truly appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.